So I'm back in the shop, and yesterday I was running a lot of Romex wire. Well, I looked on YouTube for a DIY unroller or uncoiler, similar to the PEX tubing uncoiler. And I'm so surprised I didn't find anything. I made this in about 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and it looks it, but hell, the thing works. Very simple, you know, and why do you have to pay money for something so simple? Just make it yourself in 15, 20 minutes with a skill saw and some scrap. I'm using 2x6s there, but over here, which you guys will see now, are 2x8s. So that's it. I mean, it's as simple as that. Obviously that was sped up, but nothing but a couple 45s and a couple straight edges. Make sure that things are the same height. As you can see with this thing, you just take the cord and look at that. Get yourself some 1-inch black iron pipe. You make an 1.25 inch hole. I mean, even if you're not lined up 100%, it'll still work. I did put a cross member on this one. As you can see, it's not level. Really doesn't matter. And that's the one that we just made. So, yeah, I blew the side out. Big deal. None of this matters. Does not need to be fancy. But that will make your job go a little bit easier. Let's see if this actually works. Hopefully this thing actually does what it's supposed to. So yeah, looks like it works pretty well. Yeah, pretty happy about that. I've got the wire going up and over and almost to there, which is the complete opposite end of where it's at. So, right, we're going up, over and back to almost like right around there. So it's gonna make life a lot easier. Hope this helps, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks.